Today's experiment is called magic dust. We have 3 ingredients for today's experiment. We have water, we have magnets, and we have iron powder. So first, we will pour some water into here, but not all the way. That's good. And now we will add 5 scoops of iron powder.
Mathematics.
You can see all the iron powder is at the bottom of the glass. Stir the water. The water is almost black, but with some time, the iron will settle down again. So let's pour the water out, but let's hold on to the iron powder at the bottom. Just like that. Now, let's add some fresh water. And let's see what happens when we take 2 magnets and put them on each side of the glass. You can see the 2 magnets are holding on to the iron powder. Cool. Alright, that's it for today's experiment. Goodbye.